Memories don't live like people do. They always remember you, whether things are good or bad. It's just the memories. Memories don't live like people do. Baby, don't forget me, I'm a traveling man, moving through places, space and time. Got a lot of things I got to do. The Lord willing, I'm coming back to you. Baby boo, I'm a traveling man, moving through places, space and time. Got a lot of things I got to do, but God willing, I'm coming back to you. Look, baby boo,
my plane coming down and I'm happy to land. Every time I gotta go, my girl grabbing my hand, trying to pull me back to her, and as mad as I am, I gotta make this money, I'm a traveling man. So through airplane, boat, or packed in a van, baby, I'ma hurry back to you as fast as I can. It don't matter what I gotta do, dreams I gotta follow you. Love is what I fall into and never do it follow through, so I'ma put it all in you. Just know that I ain't got a clue, but baby, I'll be watching you and copping you some Prada shoes. Hurt me when I watch the news, the doctors in the hospitals trying to heal the sick, but all their chances is impossible. I'm giving the word like literature, spitting the verse for all of those who live in the burg. I travel the world, the land and the seas, here to open up your mind, just hand me the key.
memories don't live like people do. They always remember you, whether things are good or bad. It's just the memories. Memories don't live like people do. Baby, don't forget me, I'm a traveling man, moving through places, space and time. Got a lot of things I got to do, but Lord willing, I'm coming back to you. Baby boo, I'm a traveling man, moving through places, space and time. Got a lot of things I got to do, but God willing, I'm coming back to you. Baby boo, I'm leaving on a jet plane and don't know when I'll be back again. Kiss me and smile for me, tell me that you'll wait for me, hold me like you'll never let me go.
Woo!
Yeah, let me take y'all back. I had the people saying na 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 na. Yeah, Lou Christopher. Observe, I was born on noble back when niggas had to run away quick. See, old folks never like when young ass kids be shooting hoops down by the driveway. And if I hit the ball over the wall, I'd have to go and take the sideway. I say, I may have raised some hell in my schools, fighting in lines and trying to stay cool like Urkel on the wall, like murals in my hoodie and my Air Force One pair more. Though I was not a scholar, I could make the ladies holler. Started spitting from the heart when they was spitting from the wallet, talking about how they forever kings, yeah right, forever, never long as it you seen, yeah right. I used to tell stories at the park on the playground, and after dark, if ever the cops would come, we'd have to stay down. So my nigga Adrian, they heard you lay down, I'ma hit the hill and flip the bird on the way down. See, that was how we roll, that was how we roll. We were never hood, but we had a lot of soul. So anytime I'm back at home doing a show, yo, I had that motherfucker bouncing like a pogo. Yeah, so get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Call up the homies, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like, yeah, so get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Drive to the store, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. I was wearing them off-white chucks with the floor printed pants with only 15 bucks. We took a cab to the dance and hopped out with the baddest chicks in the room. Heard the teacher saying, man, I'm glad they graduate soon. Yes, and on the nights when we were hurting for real, we dropped through Beverly Hills just to see how it feels. If the weather was cold, we would hit up a show. Try to sneak into the back so I could spit on my flow. If we was late, we rode our bikes after the bus. We were the legends of the summer, there's a chapter for us in a book somewhere. Yeah, somewhere pretty in an old library, a forgotten city, man. Life is the fastest. Ain't nobody tell you about the life of a rapper. It's all money and gold, cars and hoes, but diamonds don't shine in the dark. Ergo, we saying this, ha. So get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Call up the homies, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like, yeah, so get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Drive to the store, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like, yeah, so get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Call up the homies, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like, yeah, so get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Drive to the store, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like, get your hands high. Get your hands high. Drive to the store, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like, get your hands high. Get your hands high. Drive to the store, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like.